with your question, I have the text font and size for some text which needs to be saved as an image. Yeah, you can do it manually using Photoshop, but it'll take forever, won't it? It all depends on how or what format you have this in, because if it's in a form of a database, then you can use Word's mail merge feature. Now let me show you what I mean. Now this is something that we've set up. Now this is just a very simple database. Month 1, there's 30 records, but there's no real limit to the number of records you can have. And we have all this various information, including a sample sentence in English, the same sentence transliterated, the same sentence in Thai. But again, this is just the information that you have in your particular record or what you want to do. And you can even do a back print and things like that on the mail merge if you need it to. And what we then do is we set up a basic mail merge template like this, which queries the database, and you connect it to the database, and then we can preview the results and we can go through, and that's what it's going to do. So this is just part step, and then once we've finished, once we're ready to go, then we can export the records, and what it will do is it will create this kind of thing, 30 records, okay, or there's a blank one at the end, and then you can then save it as a if I save this to my desktop as a PDF, it will overwrite because I just made sure it was all working. And then this is what you've got. Sorry, yeah, export pages as JPEG. So now I can, let me put it in my OH folder here because I've been using that a lot today, and I can set the DPI, and then I click on go. And if I go to my OH folder, there we go. I've got other files in there, but essentially now is I've got images for all of my mail merge. Now that's what I'd recommend you do if you've got it in some form of database. Okay, hope that helps.